Welcome to the C-Suite of the Open Video Series with TMX Group. I'm Arnie Goldstein, Head of Company Services based out of Vancouver, and joining me today is Konrad, the CEO of our newly listed ESE Entertainment Company, trading on the TSX Venture Exchange under the ticker ESE. Konrad, welcome. It's really nice to talk to you today.
Good morning, Arnie. Thanks for having me on, and excited to be on the TMX show here. Excellent.
Let's get right into it. What are the three things that you want to highlight about ESE Entertainment that you want your existing and potentially new investors to know about?
First and foremost, just to understand this market, the gaming market is absolutely booming. It's growing 25% year over year. It's an incredible opportunity to get in at the base floor. So the three pillars I really want to highlight as it pertains to ESE. We are a diversified gaming company with three core pillars: technology, media rights, and an award-winning gaming franchise. Technology, in the sense of we have partnered with one of the top online tournament platforms in the world, based in Asia, that operate in 20 different countries and have created some of the biggest online gaming tournaments in the world. When we refer to media rights, we have exclusive digital media licenses that span across the world and are partnered with some of the largest media conglomerates in the world and some of the largest gaming publishers in the world. This is also a scalable part of the business that we want to highlight. And then our award-winning franchise, this is our professional esports team that has been competing at a very high level all around the world and been entering into large cash prize tournaments globally.
Well, that's a great overview, Konrad. How would you sum up the investment proposition for ESE?
The investment proposition, I highlighted a little bit. The opportunity is now. This is a fragmented market, and it's prime for consolidation, prime for exactly what we're doing. We're looking for accretive acquisitions. We are gonna pursue those acquisitions, and now because we're listed on the TSX and we have those capabilities, we're fully funded and we're really driven to do that. We also have the goal of expanding that global distribution channel through media rights. So we'll be pursuing more media conglomerates and groups to really scale into new regions, new countries, and increasing the visibility of our esports franchise through consolidation and really narrowing down the fragmentation in the market.
I understand. I'm looking forward to seeing your news flow on that for sure. What are some near-term catalysts or milestones that investors should be watching for?
I think our approach to acquisitions, as you mentioned, you're excited to see them, so are we. We're excited to really get that news out. We started last week with a big release. We partnered with Porsche. So we did a deal with Porsche Poland, and we're going to be pursuing a global partnership with them. You will see news flow at that level coming out soon, and really changing the tone of pursuing accretive acquisitions and really focusing on top line sales and margin growth. We really want to change the perception of esports and gaming and really hyper focus on revenue and profitability, something that a lot of groups haven't done to date, and we're going to be the group that does that.
Okay. And like I said, I look forward to watching the news flow on that. So tell me, now that you've listed on the Venture Exchange, what does that mean to your company and your stakeholders?
I think it's a fantastic opportunity for us to be transparent, create news flow, as you mentioned, pursue these acquisitions in a really professional manner, and allow stakeholders to really follow the story and watch our growth. We've had tremendous growth. We're growing quarter over quarter, and we want to share that with our shareholders. And ultimately, we want to let them know that we're here to stay. We're here for the long run. We came in early. We're building. This is not something that's, let's work hard for a year. We have a big time mindset here, a 10-year plan in place. We're going to grow this thing to a monster, and we're really happy. And we got the operational team behind it to really drive this business. I can't say it enough. Our operations team is world class. They've all built multi-million-dollar companies, myself included, and it's really that TMX has created this infrastructure for us to flourish.
Fantastic. Konrad, thanks for joining me today, and we'll be watching you on the markets.